Good morning to all. This is from G. Jayajodi, Assistant Professor, Physics Department, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Ottachathuram. Today we see about Fritz-Winker formula from quantum mechanics paper. This formula considers the case of very low energy scattering by potential. First we find the value of scattering potential and Schrödinger equation by using square wave potential equation. First value is tan Ka plus eta naught equal to K by K1 tan K comma A. We simplify the equation tan Ka plus tan eta naught equal to K by K1 tan K comma A. So we find the tan eta naught value equal to K by K1 tan K1A minus tan Ka. Now we rearrange the equation. We get the answer is 1 plus K by K1 tan Ka tan K1A tan eta naught equal to K by K1 tan K1A minus tan Ka. If the potential is shallow for very low energy scattering, the value is very small. So we are using the square bracket formula. So we get the answer is tan eta naught equal to Ka tan K1A minus 1 by K1A. Final value is eta naught equal to tan inverse K by K1 tan K1A minus K1A. If the depth of potential is gradually increased at certain stage, K comma A will be through by 2. This by 2 is the sin theta value. So this condition appearance at bound state of square wave potential tan eta naught equal to infinity. Eta naught equal to by 2. So sigma value is 4 by K square sin square theta. So here sin theta value is by 2 by 2. When K1A goes through by 2, tan eta naught equal to infinity. This means that the phase shift also goes through by 2. When eta naught equal to by 2, it follow from the total cross section value. So now we find the total cross section value using sigma is equal to 4 by K square formula. Next, we investigate the cross section near resonance. Resonance energy formula is E of R. The phase shift E naught will be a function of ER. So the phase shift value is by 2. So now we find the investigate the behavior of the cross section near resonance. Let the resonant energy E of R, the phase shift eta naught will be a function of ER, as the phase shift at resonance is by 2. Sin eta naught E of R is equal to 1 and cos eta naught E of R is equal to 0. This is the value of sin and cos functions. So now we expanding the sin eta naught and cos eta naught value by using Taylor series E is equal to E of R formula. So now using Taylor formula, sin eta naught is equal to sin eta naught E of R plus dou sin eta naught by dou E. We get the answer is sin eta naught E of R plus cos eta naught d dou naught by dE is equal to ER. Is equal to ER of E minus ER. Now we get the cos term, cos eta naught d dou naught E of R minus sin dou naught E d dou naught by dE E minus ER. Here d dou naught E of R by dE value is minus 2 by gamma E minus ER. Here cos eta naught d dou naught E of R value is 0 because the signification of eta will be known by scattering amplitude F naught is equal to 0. So cos term value is 0. 2 by gamma d dou naught E of R by dE dE by dE. This is the resonance factor formula. Next we find the scattering amplitude value using scattering amplitude formula. F of theta is equal to 1 by K summation L is equal to 0. Summation L is equal to 0 infinity 2 lambda plus 1 exponential I dou naught SL cos theta sin eta L formula. We get the answer is f theta of eta equal to x1 I dou E of E sin dou E of E equal to sin dou naught E by expand I dou naught. Here sin dou naught by cos dou naught minus I sin dou naught. This substitute the values of sin dou naught, cos dou naught. We get the value of 1 by minus 2 by minus 2 by e minus er minus I. Finally, we get the answer is 1 minus 2 by e minus er gamma minus I value. Next, we simplify the equation 1 by minus e minus er minus I gamma by 2 equal to 1 by e minus er plus I eta naught by 2 eta naught by 2 eta by 2 e minus er plus I eta by 2. This is the total cross section value. So the total cross section value is given by eta is equal to 4 by k squared by f naught eta squared. This is the value of Rittinger formula solution. Thank you.